Hello, Mr. Heap here, and today I'm going to talk about using Piskel to plan out an animation. So Piskel is just a free program or website, www.piskel.app.com. You can just Google it, whatever way you want to get there. And this is the basic setup. So in this setup, on the right-hand side, you can decide how big you want your setup to be. We'll resize ours to be 10 by 10 because that's how big our screen is going to be for our Minecraft animation. And if you look, each square pretty much represents one block on the screen. And we can do one block at a time, or we can use this paint bucket and make it black. And now that whole screen is like our screen on our Minecraft. It's 10 by 10. And now we can just start coloring things. So if we click the color, we can have that be red. And if we do that, the whole background's red. We don't want that. We want the background to be black. But if we just want one at a time, we use this feature. I'm going to start making the hair red. And now we need a face color. So get something like that. So fill in the face in here. It's looking good. Now I'm going to go back to black to make an eye. There we go. And now we have to work on a shirt. What's a good color for a shirt? How about green? And just make 6 blocks in there. And now we need to deal with some pants. Get some blue on. There we go. And now let's put an arm on the side. So we can go back and use that same flesh color. If you click on there, that you have the color that you've used recently. Oh, that's not, I didn't click it. Here we go. There it is. So this is our first frame of our person. So it's nice, it was quick. Now we want to replicate that. So you click in this corner and you duplicate, I should say, and it creates the same, just a duplicate of the first one. And now we can just modify if we want to make him look like he's running. I'm going to move his arm just a little bit. And now let's move his feet. There, and ooh, here we go, make it blue. And now change an open spot so it's looking like he's starting to take a step. And in the upper right hand corner you can see how it's animating. You can either do 1, or if you go up to the 20 size, then you can see what it looks like when it's being animated. Alright, so we have 2 frames. And now if we click duplicate again, now we have our 3rd frame. Now this time I want to move over the whole body. So what I'm going to do is just kind of go 1 out to the right on everything. And we're just going to shift everything. And I want to use the same colors, so I'm just using that same color. Now on the left hand side, I'm just going to get rid of this block. His eye looks weird. We got to move his eye over. But we just moving each block over 1 and clearing out that left hand column. There it is. And oh yeah, the eye still looks pretty bad. We got to get up there. And we switch the other one over. All right. Now, if you look in the upper right hand corner, it looks like he's moving to the right a little bit. That's pretty good. Now let's duplicate this again. And let's just move a couple pieces. So let's move his arm again. And let's move his feet. Like so. Let's make a black spot in between. There we go. And now it looks like he's doing some sort of dance, moving forward. And now finally, we have our fifth one, where we're just going to move everything to the right. One more. Moving the eye. Moving the hairline over a little bit. Make it so the eye doesn't look so weird. And shirt's moved over. All right. Now we have a good framework for moving our